Hello folks, it's John the Crazy Englishman. You see, this is where there's separation, you know, and it's deliberate and it's planned. Celebrate black history. Well, let's celebrate human history. This is political correctness, and it's still with us. We think we're winning the battle against woke, celebrating. Well, if, you know, I'm just trying to think of it. If I say came from Africa and I would want to celebrate Africa Day, then that's great, isn't it? You know, but come from India and I want to celebrate India Day, and that's fine. So, are we going to have a celebration on our trains for, well, it'd be a bit difficult celebrating white history, wouldn't it? Because as there's always been black people, there's always been white people. So I don't actually know what the celebration is. Maybe someone can tell me, you know. But, you know, good luck. But this is politically driven. It's, you know, it's not individual people themselves. This is just virtue signalling, like all of it. That's just my opinion. Anyway, thought I'd share that with you on the beginning of my journey. You take care and God bless. There we go.